Hi my friends, today we model this part with some interesting features and with this drawing. We start by creating this contour all around with dimensions, a lot of dimensions. The extrusion will be 20. Let's start with this dimension. The center point will be here. 128 minus 4.5 is this bottom line. New standard IPT, new plane, and I turn this around to create that line to the left. 128 minus 4.5. Then we press the left button of the mouse and we draw half of a circle. Go to the right. Once again, press the left button. Go somewhere here. Perpendicular, perpendicular, and we go to the center point. Parallel of these two lines. We have to add some dimensions. This is 4.5. This is radius 20. This is 1.3. Aligned. 58 aligned. And another dimension missing is the angle, 60 degrees. Then inside we have some other contour. I try to make good lines parallel here. Press the left button and go to the start. Tangent is this. Radius 5 here, and dimensions. This is 1.3. I copy this dimension from here. This is also 1.3. This is, I hope, is the same. I place again this dimension to be very clear. This is 16. And perpendicular here. we have a fully constrained sketch, but we have to apply also fillets of 5 on this internal contour, as you can see. Finish sketch, extrude all this symmetrical on 20. Okay. Now, since we have this presentation in the drawing, we want to apply the same presentation here. To do this, we select this corner, then right-click, set current view as home, fit to view. Now we have the other presentation. Good. We continue with this feature. You see here dimensions 12, 28, radius 4 is the external, and the cut is this smaller slot. This face for a new sketch, then slot, center to center. This is 12. The diameter is 4 multiplied by 2. Then we place aligned this line with this center point, and the dimension of 28. 28. Finish sketch. The total thickness is 2.5, but we have to subtract this 1.3. Extrude. Direction is OK, and we apply that dimension 2.5 minus 1.3 dimensions in the drawing. We continue with another sketch on this face for the other slot. Project this area, apply offset. Offset of 4 minus 2 is 2. Finish sketch, extrude this contour, not the other, with cut to this face. Okay. On the left end we have these dimensions 35, 20, 10, radius 3, radius 2.5. This face, rotate, then dimensions, but we have to project some lines. We start from this point for a new line, press the left button, go back, then back to that entity. We have to select this to apply horizontal. This is 2.5. and this is 20. Other contour is this one, somewhere here. Press the left button, go here, then up, perpendicular on the line, and tangent. We have to close this. Then we draw a line here to apply mirror. Mirror of 1, 2, 3, 4 entities about this. Apply. Good. Dimensions, radius 3. This is 35. And this is symmetrical, of course. And 10. Finish sketch, extrude. We select this area to cut. This area, you see, this is not important as participation to this. Extrude through the part. Okay. We continue with this hole. You see here how it looks. And dimensions. 9 is the position. Diameter of 11, diameter of 7.5, and depth of 1.25. Other holes are placed on this face. A total of 8 holes. 6 are here, 24, 6.8, 6.8, and 12. Diameter of 2.5. The other is here with the same diameter at 5 millimeters from up. The same face. We place only a point here with distances. This is 24 and this is 12 divided by 2. We use dimensions in the drawing, my friends. Finish sketch, hole, the default solution, diameter of 4 and 2 to this face. Okay. Now we apply rectangular pattern of this feature. We select direction. This is the direction. The number of occurrences is 3. The distance is 6.8. Then the other direction, this one, with the distance of 12. And number is 2. Okay, that hole is placed also by using the same depth. Then we draw a horizontal here, line of 12 horizontal. Then the placement is with this point aligned on vertical with the center point. Finish sketch, hole. This option is already placed, and we select these 2 points. We have to select the surface. This is the surface. Okay. Another hole of 4 millimeters diameter must be placed here. Hole, face, center, through the part. Okay. We finish this by using fillet of 1 on all this number of edges. Okay. Now I see that I made some mistakes. This diameter must be 4 millimeters, and I forgot this dimension of 5. Let's modify this, because we have parametric software and we can make everything very easily. Double click on these 2 holes and 2.5. Okay. Double click on this and 2.5. Then open this sketch and add the dimension of 5. Finish sketch. Let's see what is the volume of our part. Update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same, my friends. Cancel, we keep that value. The material is steel carbon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.